The new Icon Data API provides a direct access to the broadest universe of high-value financial information. Let's imagine that I work for a corporate treasury department at a grain exporting company. My team has to deal with foreign currency risks as we receive payments from overseas buyers. Every day I need to monitor our FX portfolio and optimize the risk exposure. With the help of Icon Data API and Python, I'm able to run a model that captures the impact of our treasury's hedging strategies on the portfolio's value at risk. Before executing the hedge, I specify the open FX positions and the percentage to hedge. The Python model then retrieves historical values on the given FX pairs with Icon Data API and calculates the annualized standard deviations along with a correlation matrix from the excess log returns. Once the correlations are known, I use native Python statistical libraries like NumPy and Pandas to derive the portfolio volatility for scenarios with and without hedging, a step that is needed to derive my value at risk at a 95% confidence interval. Finally, the model produces these two charts in my Jupyter notebook that show me the change in the dollar value at risk and the new risk distribution across all the currency positions. This is how I use the power of Icon Data API to support and visualize my decisions on hedging strategies and risk optimization.